Right, yep, hi all, welcome to the update for the engine. So I've had a slight misfire for literally a year. So one day the car was running absolutely spot on, then the next day had a misfire. So I did these usual things of checking out things, replacing this, the HT lead, spark plugs, the distributor cap, rotor arm, blah, 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 all that sort of stuff, check the timing, checked everything basically, and couldn't get it to run better. So then it kind of got to the last few months of the show season, and then winter kicked in, and so on and so forth. So I thought I took it out for a long run, first long run in ages on Sunday, just sort of blow it all through, because most of the driving that I do is round town. And had still the same misfire. Misfire was sort of take off to sort of 2,000 RPM, not noticeable after 2,000 RPM at all when you're driving sort of normal quick. But most of the driving I do is round town, and it's always like 20-25 miles per hour, so it's sort of noticeable. Anyway, what I did is I took the spark plugs out, had a look. These two here were very sooty. The other ones there I would say were quite white, so I'd say the engine was running lean, I would say, because they certainly weren't caramel, they're definitely more white. But those two there, it's really sooty as a bandit. So what I've done is I did the test, overrode the fuel pump, did the test, checked the flow, etc. What I found out, there's one of them, I've written it down, one of them was had blatantly had a few millimeters less fuel in the cup. That's one of them, and so I've made a note of exactly what happened. And I can't remember if it's one of these two or not, but these two here also would dribble. So when you had the throttle off in the position there, they would continue to lightly spray fuel where the fuel pump was on. So that's a problem, obviously. The other ones would all cut off. So what I did is I took them out, ultrasonic cleaned them. This one here is better, blatantly better. It's still slightly dribbles, and this one here still dribbles, or sort of splatters. And you can tell if you hold over a bit of paper, you can literally see it splattering fuel on the paper, whereas it's not so easy. It's not so easy to spot with the naked eye unless you get really close. So just bear that in mind. So yeah, I put that side there, all back together. I then decided to order a couple of new injectors to replace these ones here. Same ones, Bosch 022s. These are only 2 years old. I don't like wasting money. I know people say, oh, buy 6. Or someone might say buy 6, yeah, but the other ones are all spot on, and I'm not a person who can afford to waste money on the hobbies, basically. I've got other things to spend money on. So yeah, I'm gonna get those, lob those in. Got a big charity car show on Sunday, and happy days. And yeah, this is the DeLorean retainer system, DeLorean Industries retainer system, which I really love, along with the rubber gaskets. It's a really good system. It's also quite hard to get that on there in. You have to remove the idle control motor to get it in. It definitely requires skill, because you don't want to drop anything into the valley of death, but it's not too bad. I also checked the screen on the large banjo there on the warm-up regulator, cleaned it out, but it was clean anyway, so I'll just give it a quick wipe round anyway. Back together again, happy days. So yeah, there we go, that is the update for that. So once that arrives, I'll put the new injectors in. So clean the spark plugs, gap them at 0.6. I can run it again, and hopefully when I pull it back in again on sort of like Sunday or Monday or something, and check the plugs again, hopefully be better. And hopefully, most importantly, I can get rid of this freaking slight misfire as well, which might be because, of course, the plugs, have been getting gummed up because of the overfueling. So let's just hope that's what it is. Yeah, cool, nice one. Yeah, looking at the fuel results, it's clear that number 3 has the least fuel in the cup compared to the other ones. The other ones actually look pretty even. I mean, 3 and 4, you could probably say are the two lowest ones. 3 is blatantly lower. So I've done the test, and what I found is this one here. But the fuel pump is currently in the override position, so it's on at the moment. And as you can see here, it's clearly dribbling. And this one here, I haven't pressed the throttle for quite a while actually, but this one here was also dripping quite a bit as well, just like spitting, same as that one there at the back. It's the middle, sorry. And this one here is okay, and the ones on this side are okay. Okay.